It began with the printing of the PLA rings. They were given to Dr. Colton's students who desperately needed extra credit. Each ring carried with it supernatural manufacturing process knowledge and the ability to rapidly finish Dr. Colton's exams. But they were all deceived before another ring was made.
That last exam was too difficult. The rings are not powerful enough. I need something stronger. But what material would be stronger than this?
You could cast it out of copper.
But how? We don't have the means to cast copper.
But we have access to the invention studio. Its furnace can go above 1100 degrees Celsius.
Convene our finest smiths. We must examine the feasibility of this, but quickly. The final is approaching soon.
My lord Anatar, our smiths have prepared the calculations for the one ring.
Excellent. Explain it to me.
My lord, the inner and outer diameter have been calculated, as well as the volume, so we have enough copper to cast this ring. There's talcum powder all over the model to prevent sticking to the sand, as well as a pouring basin to allow copper to flow into the bottom of the spool.
We calculated the gate velocity, and then we used Reynolds number to calculate the gate diameter in order to make sure Reynolds number stays at 20,000.
But we'll make the bottom of the screw bigger to account for a sharp bend.
We'll utilize a tiny needle in order to poke a hole in the sand casting in order to vent.
Do we know if it's an insulating mold?
My lord, given the data we have for copper casting in sand, we know that this is, in fact, insulated.
And the solidification time?
Our calculations show 3.5 seconds at 1100 degrees Celsius. That's why we suggest you do superheating in order to prevent short shots.
And what is the minimum thickness for the mold to be semi-infinite?
4.3 millimeters thick, my lord Anatar.
This is excellent work. But you all must speak no more of it. Destroy all the records that you have. This ring is too powerful. We can't allow anyone to make it.
In the basement of the MRDC, a desperate grad student casts in secret a master ring to solve all the Bob DeVilder questions. And into this ring, he pours Chauvinov's rule for a riser design and his will to get 100 on the final.
Soren had for breakfast a buttery biscuit and showed up early for the final. But the ring, having a mind of its own, betrayed him. It left Soren seeking a new master.